Efficacious is an adjective that describes something that is effective in producing the desired result or effect. It implies efficiency and success in achieving an intended outcome, particularly in contexts like medicine, strategies, or solutions. An origins of efficacious, the word efficacious comes from the Latin efficax, meaning effective, efficient, which derives from efficere, to accomplish, or to bring about. It entered English in the 16th century and has retained its meaning of producing desired effects. How to use efficacious. Efficacious is typically used in formal contexts, often relating to methods, remedies, or interventions that successfully achieve their goals. Example sentences: the new treatment proved highly efficacious in relieving chronic pain. His efficacious leadership style helped the company navigate difficult times. The vaccine was found to be efficacious in preventing the spread of the disease. Similar words: effective, achieving the desired result, often interchangeable with efficacious. Efficient, achieving results with minimal waste or effort. Potent, particularly powerful or effective, often used in the context of substances. Successful, achieving the intended goal or purpose. Nuances of efficacious. Formality. The word is more formal and less commonly used in everyday language than effective. Scope, often used in contexts where the ability to achieve a specific, measurable result is emphasized, such as medicine, policies, or strategies. Positive connotation. It conveys a sense of precision and reliability. Contextual usage. Medicine and science. Efficacious is frequently used to describe drugs, treatments, or experiments that achieve their intended results. Leadership and policy. It can describe strategies or actions that are impactful and result-oriented. Philosophical or ethical discussions. The term may be used to evaluate whether a method aligns with its goals or intentions. Efficacious versus effective. While both words mean capable of producing results, efficacious often emphasizes the inherent ability of something to succeed, whereas effective is broader and may include external factors contributing to success. For example, the medicine is efficacious focuses on the drug itself, while the campaign was effective could involve teamwork, timing, and other variables. In summary, efficacious is a precise and elegant term that highlights the inherent capability of a method, solution, or substance to achieve its purpose. It's particularly valuable in discussions requiring a tone of formality or technicality. Subscribe